Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make money here on Temu. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out temu.com and we'd be directed to this page. Okay, so let me just type out temu.com. Then after that, make sure that you have logged into your account. Okay, so to check that, just click on this option right here. And after logging into your account, we can now see here the different products that we can use to make money here on Temu. But before that, we have to go to the very bottom of this page to see this option where we can get a links that we can use to make money here on Temu. Okay, so you have to remember this one before promoting products. We have to go here. Okay, so just click on this affiliate and influencer earn commission option. That's right, and then another tab will open, and then this is the affiliate and influencer program. So for the affiliate section, right here at the right side, we have an available cash, which is 200 peso. So we can withdraw this one if we reach the minimum requirement for cash, which is about 500 peso. Here on Temu affiliate program, we have two different levels. The first one is share link your code, get your referrals, and then earn commission. Okay, so here we are going to start with the affiliate program. Next is the pick items, and the last one is invite affiliate. So here for new app users, we can get about 30% commission. So in orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, so we can get 30%. And then here for the 100 peso extra for the download reward. Okay, so here we can share this one to earn, and then copy the text for simplified sharing, and then use it to upload it on our different social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and more. Or you can also copy the link. Okay, so when I scroll down right here for referrals can get, the first one is the 2,000 peso coupon bundle. Next is the free gifts, 30% off, exclusive deal, save big. And then if you want to apply for this one and then you really wanted to make money on Temu, so you just have to simply click on share. Next is the pick items option. So right here, we can pick and share items so we can get our commission. So as you can see right here below the products, you can see here the price, and then here is the maximum commission that we can get. Okay, so to share this product, we can just simply click on the share option. And for example, you're looking for a specific product and you cannot find it right here, then you can use the search bar at the top right and search for a specific product. For example, mirror. After clicking on enter or the search icon, you'd be able to see here now the different results for the keywords that you have typed out. Okay, so what you're going to do next is to select the best product. So just simply click on share. Okay, and then after that, we can share this item to earn in our different social media accounts. For example, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. And then don't worry, because later on I am going to show you on how you can share this one to your Pinterest account. Okay, you can also copy this link and then share it to your friends. Okay, so let me just close this one. And then for the next one is the invite affiliate option. Okay, so when you click on this one, right here, you can get a reward by inviting new affiliate in 16 countries. So if you want to see the details for the 16 countries, just simply click on the details option. Okay, so here, invite new affiliate from 16 countries. Okay, and then after that, just close this one. So here we also have these details. So to about 825 per invited affiliate. So for the first invite, for invite 1, we have 825 peso. Invite 2, 825 peso as well. For the invitation guide, you can earn up to 750 peso. Invite a new affiliate with over 1,000 followers on the social media accounts, and then earn up to 75 peso. Invite a new affiliate who has earned a commission in our affiliate program. Okay, so you can now click on the invite option at the bottom. Okay, so let me just click on this right here. And then after reading these details, so you can now click on the invite to earn option. And below, we also have here the exclusive benefits for new affiliates as well. Okay, so now I'm going to show you on how you can share the products on your Pinterest account. Okay, so you just have to do the same right here. Just copy the text for easy invite. Okay, so after reading these details, so after copying these texts, you can now share this to your different social media accounts, or you can send it to your friends, family, and to your customers. So now let's go to the pick items, and then let us try to find a product that we can use to upload in our Pinterest account. So just simply click on the share option and then select Pinterest. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then of course, the first thing that you should do here is to choose a board, or you can also create a new board. So I'm going to name this one as Temu. Okay, and then after that, just simply click on create. Now, just simply click on the see it now option. Okay, so when someone visited your Pinterest account and then they're going to click on your board, just make sure that your board is visible to the public. So when they click on this one right here, you'll be able to see this link. So when they click on this link right here, and then they buy this product, of course, we can get our commission since we use our Temu affiliate linked for this product. Okay, so they also have here a guide. They can scan the QR code to get in the Temu application. So if you want to promote more products, so we just have to do the same. Just make sure that the product that you are going to promote is effective and on demand, of course. And up here, we also have the different categories if we want to be specific with the category that we are going to promote, or the products that we are going to promote on our Pinterest account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.